Want to sound smarter instantly with AI? Try this one ChatGPT prompt that changes everything. Type this into ChatGPT, explain this topic like I'm giving a TED talk. Make it clear, insightful, and persuasive. Then insert your topic like AI in education or productivity. ChatGPT will turn it into something brilliant. It gives you expert-level clarity without sounding robotic. Perfect for presentations, writing, or posting on social media. Want more smart prompts like this? Subscribe to Boost Mind AI for weekly tools that make you smarter. This isn't just about AI, it's about leveling up your thinking. Try it now and comment what topic you used. Work smart. Sound smarter. Only with Boost Mind AI.